Basically, what I do is pick an asset. I've picked this one because it's on the list here. It's the highest payout, see 88%. Same with this one as well. But if we go back on here, now the 30-day, the general direction of that, the general pattern, it's going up. You can see the pattern of this is very similar. Takes that dip, shoots up, levels out. Takes a dip, shoots up, levels out. Takes a dip, shoots up, levels out. So you can see that same pattern going up, but the overall direction from this point here, see where my mouse is here, to here, you can see that is a upward direction. Although it's dipping up and down, the main direction is going up. So then I go on to the 2-minute view, wait for that to take a dip down, and then put a trade on. Let's put $1,000. Now the beauty of this, I started with only $10. So when you got like this, you've got 12 grand in there, just over 12 grand. You can do $1,000 trades willy-nilly because you're well in the money. Now there we go. I built it up, so that's taken a dip there, and then I've put a call trade on. Normally I would wait for that to be nearer 10 seconds, but because it made that drastic dip there we go, look at that. So basically that's what I do. Look at the 30-day view, look for the overall direction, then zoom in on the 2-minute view, wait for a drastic dip like that. I'm going to do that other one there. Look, another one there. Wait for it to do a drastic dip like that, and then place the trade going in the opposite way. Hot. It was woo. So that's basically it. Just keep an eye on it. That one I was getting a bit nervous, but I mean, you can, like as you see, if you go back onto this 30-day view, you can be unlucky and catch it on that dip when it's on its way back down. But it's just getting it right. So yeah, basically that is how I do it. That is what I do. I look for the overall direction. See that it's on an upward slope, go to the 2-minute. Sometimes you need to go to 5-minute, 15-minute just to get an idea of what it's doing. But like that, you can see it's on its way up, takes a little dip. See if we can do some more. So when it takes a dip like that, I mean, I wouldn't advise doing like I did then with placing 3 trades, but that's just me being. So I started off with a tenner. I've got almost 14 grand in here now, so I can be a bit risky, you know. If you start off, you know, if you're got sort of 500 quid, 250 quid in, then I wouldn't be risky like that. Just take it calm. I built it up slowly, you know. $10 trade, $25 trade, 50, just slowly build it up. Now I'm waiting for a drastic drop like before. Let's see what the other one was doing. See this one, it's a bit risky because you can see it's pretty much in the middle. So there's not really an overall direction. It started up high, it's gone down, it's spiked up a bit, it's gone down. So that one I wouldn't I would be a bit wary on trading with, because you can see the line is pretty much running through the middle, and it's pretty much halfway of what it's doing. Let's get rid of that. Oh. Now I missed that little dip there. Look at that crucial little point which I missed because I was too busy talking. The only thing is, you do have to be careful that you, like you see here, you've got these little peaks, and it's come back down up here, and it's come back down. So I'm hoping you know that you could run the risk there of that. I'm hoping that that is it, and it's not going to shoot back down. Very simple strategy, but it works for me. It might not work for all people. I'm not telling people to use it. It's just how I use it and how it works for me, basically. Yeah, baby! Another one. So just in those, in the couple of minutes that I've been doing this video, I've gone from just over 12 grand to almost 15 grand. Well, it looks like it's leveled out for a bit now, but just another video really to show you how my strategy works. If you want to try it for yourself, click the link below, IQ option, but it's working very, very well. And yeah, it's simple, but it works. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest reviews on all the products. There's a lot of scams out there, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.